Hello, children. How are you all? Welcome to English class of class 8th standard. Today, we'll begin with a new poem that is Modern Missionary, written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. About the poet. Joseph Rudyard Kipling, who was born in 1865 and died in 1936, was a British Indian. He was born in Bombay. He is well known as an English short story writer, poet, and novelist. Kipling received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907. Kipling is best known for his works of fiction, The Jungle Book in 1894 and Kim in 1901. He is regarded as a major innovator in the art of short story. Moving on to the pre-reading activity. First Roman number. First one. Think of 5 activities you can do without the help of any kind of machines. Did you think, children? Yes. We can do reading, talking, sleeping, walking, playing without the help of any kind of machines. Second one. Think of 5 activities you do with the help of machines. Yes. Traveling by bus, playing computer games, using mixer to grind, washing machines to wash the clothes, and television for entertainment purpose. Third one. What are the damages we face when we don't handle a machine properly? Have you experienced anything like this, children? Yes. We may get electric shock, or the machines may get spoiled, or the internal parts may be damaged and may get burnt. Second part of the pre-reading activity. Find out different kinds of experiences in the following activities. First one, traveling in a car and bullock cart. People in olden days used to travel in bullock cart, and now we can find cars rather than bullock carts. Children, you may not have experienced traveling in a bullock cart, but it is just a bumpy ride and it's very slow, and while we travel it feels or makes us feel dusty. But nowadays I think almost everyone have traveled in car and enjoyed the ride, speed, and the comfortableness what you get while you travel in a car. Second one, calculating a sum mentally or by using a calculator. Have you used calculators, children? Okay. We can notice that the calculation which has been done in calculator can be done very fast. But if we do it mentally, it helps us to improve our brain power. Third one, drawing a picture by hand or using a paintbrush in the computer. Drawing a picture by hand or by using a paintbrush in the computer, both are equally entertaining. But in computer, if there is any mistake, it can be erased and mark doesn't remain. But while drawing manually, mark remains. That is the difference what we can notice. Now, moving on towards the poem Modern Missionary. This poem deals with the problem of modern technology and machines. In the beginning, the reader gets informed about how machines are produced and what kind of treatment they need. Afterwards, the machines explain how they can serve humanity. This poem consists of 5 stanzas with the rhyming scheme ABAB. Moving on to the first stanza. We were taken from the orbit and the mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and brought and hammered to design. We were cut and filed and tooled and gauged to fit. difficult words which we come across in the first stanza. First one, furnace. Enclosed space for heating materials at a very high temperature. Second one, wrought. Beaten to bring the metal into a particular shape. Third one, file. To cut or shape something. Fourth, gauged. Measured. Moving on to the explanation. In the first stanza, the poet Rudyard Kipling refers we. We here in this stanza or in this poem refers to the machines. The machines first describe the process of their creation. Using the appropriate minerals, ores, and other raw materials which are being transported from the mines to the manufacturing unit. Then the raw materials are mixed in a proper proportions in different furnaces at mostly high temperature to extract the metal. In this picture, you can find the slurry form, which is cast and formed into various shapes according to the design drawn up by the engineers. Depending upon the plan, the metal parts are cut, forged, machined, milled, etc. to the correct dimensions. Then these parts are assembled, making sure that they all fit well to construct the machine. Now it's the time for the assignment. First one, name the poet of this poem. Second, which is the best known work of fiction of the poet? Thank you, children. See you in the next class.